Dr. Emem Omokaro, Director General, National Senior Citizens Center, has expressed commitment to strengthen collaboration with the National Board for Technical Education to create career path for caregivers in Nigeria. Omokaro said this when she met with the officials of NBTE in Abuja.
We have recognized the statutory mandate of National Board for Technical Education, as the name says. And the National Senior Citizen Center is very interested in developing health and social care skills for care of older persons in various settings. As you know, older persons have many challenges. And one of those challenges, and also by virtue of their location, 70% in the rural area, the challenges including, long-term care needs. They have multi-morbidities. Some have mobility challenges. Some are homebound. And you have a situation where the adults, children have conflicting roles. They are still working. And then most times these older persons are left without quality care. So NSCC wants to develop a national benchmark statement and minimum standards in curriculum for training and certifying caregivers. The basic entry up to as many levels. Because we also want to work with NBTE to create career path and open up employment opportunities in this health and social care industry. So of course NSCC cannot do that on its own. The other day we signed a memorandum of understanding with the Federal Minister of Health. So today we came for this visit. One thing was also that they were part of our stakeholder sensitization and part of the draft curriculum we are developing. So we are here to deepen that partnership because they have the technical mechanisms and processes that we need. So now we are agreeing to develop a memorandum of understanding to identify parties' obligations so we can move forward to harmonizing the curriculum with what they already have with us, developed by the stakeholders, and also discussing processes and procedures for certification, capacity building, even for desk officers in NBTE, NSCC desk officers in NBTE, as part of deepening relationships. So overall, it was to deepen partnership, to start developing a memorandum of understanding for care quality assurance in health and social care for our older persons. We want to standardize the industry and then create opportunities for operators, public-private sector, so that we can create employment and ensure dignity for older persons.
The Executive Secretary, National Board for Technical Education, Professor Idris Bugaji, represented by the Director of Skills Development, Mr. Abati Mohammed, assured the Center of the readiness to provide the necessary support towards achieving its objectives. According to him, relevant skills acquisition is required to standardize the system of caregiving in the country.
The new mantra for the National Board for Technical Education is skills, not degrees. Skills have been found to be the most exchangeable currency of the world these days. So the board has focused its own efforts towards reskilling, upskilling of our citizens. So, and the senior citizen sector is a huge sector that has been neglected, and with the NSCC, that's the Nigerian Senior Citizen National Senior Citizen Center, we are coming to put up standardization, certification, assessment, and training for the skills to the skills care sector for the senior citizens. You will agree with me that our senior citizens may not have standard care, may not have standard inputs to their lives. So, and I think the NSCC is doing great work in that regard, and the board is ready to partner with the center to ensure that senior citizens get the best treatment for health, personal development, and of course their work or needs for survival.